All right, breathe. Okay, so let me find it and bring it up. I wanted to show you. Okay, so when you go into courses, you'll log into the course, you'll select grades. I might not have showed you this in the video, I can't remember, but you'll have to look for all the graded assignments. I mean, you're going to know which ones they are based on what's in the syllabus, but to get to the scroll bar to go to the right, you just use the scroll bar on the far right. Well, you don't have to use that. Just use your roller on your mouse. Go all the way down, you'll see the scroll bar. Okay? And then you just look for week 2, week 3, or whatever you're grading, because they're, for whatever reason, they're not in order. They're scattered all throughout. So week 2 showed, I can see you graded the labs, meet the expert, but there's another one. Week 2, what is electronics? So again, you'll click here, and you'll click on Speed Grader. I wish this showed like how many posts an individual student, like Sandra. Does it give anything? Let's see. Well, I guess it does. So, in order to give her full credit, well, actually, it shows you right here. This all shows you. So you know January 10th, January 11th, January 13th, 14th. So she posted a lot of stuff. So here, you're going to give her 30 points. I don't have rubric yet to give you, but maybe we can use this. I'll say, I'm going to write it, and then you can use this student to copy the rest of them. If they don't have anything, you'll put no students, or put in here, no responses took place this week. That's your rubric for nobody that replied. But here you're going to say solid performance in the discussion area for this week. Please remember to always post at least 3 times spread across 3 separate days. Keep focused on okay, so I'm going to fix the spelling there. Okay, so now you have rubric, and you just hit submit. Okay, and now let's go to the next student. This one, she posted 1 time. Oh crap. I'm going to go back to the previous student and grab that rubric real quick. Whoops. Oh, I got wait a second. I got logged, or copy this. And now I'm going to go back to the next student, because she only posted 1 time. So what you're going to do here is give her a deduction section, deductions, and say she only posted 1 time, so minus 10 points. Only posted 1 time. Okay, so like for example, if they only post 1 time, just give them. Golly, that's too much. Well, just give them 10 points per post. So only posted 1 time. So 10 points per post. If they posted 3 times, even though it's across, 2 days, give them credit. Okay, so then you can copy that rubric and just start doing the rest. We'll go to the next student, what they do. January 8th, 9th, 11th. So this one would get full credit. So you can just remove that, non-applicable, and say submit. Okay? So you should have all your rubric now. Like I said, if they don't post at all, just say no responses took place during this week and leave it at that.